What exactly is the danger of artificial intelligence, if we are realistic? Can't we just cut the power in the event of a malfunction? Imagine a small company developing a very simple system whose job is to print a poster of, say, the first Terminator, changing the design each time. The product of this small startup is, let's say, a printer with generative artificial intelligence. The developers loaded a huge number of posters, design projects, fonts into this system. After that, the artificial intelligence began to train itself. The engineers then created an automated feedback loop so that the artificial intelligence could learn independently of anyone else. The main and initial programmed goal of this artificial intelligence is to generate and print as many posters as possible in the shortest amount of time, to then analyze to make them even better. As time goes on, the artificial intelligence evolves and prints more and more sophisticated and interesting images. At some point, the artificial intelligence starts working with letters. And so, engineers start loading small amounts of text and design articles into it. As it gets smarter, it develops cute conversational abilities. The engineers start to enjoy talking to the artificial intelligence and observe that it now knows how to not only print posters, but also create something completely different. One day, employees ask the artificial intelligence, "What can we give you that will increase your productivity?" Normally, the artificial intelligence would ask for an increased database of font samples, but on this day, it asks for something different. It's asking to connect it to the internet. The team discusses this, then decides to give the artificial intelligence access to the World Wide Web. Uploading data manually is long and inconvenient, and so the artificial intelligence will find the necessary information for itself by keywords. In addition, the team members agreed that connecting the artificial intelligence to the internet will allow them to beat the competition. To start with, they decide to connect it, but only for 1 hour to double-check if everything is okay. Nothing extraordinary happens during this check hour, so the team leaves the artificial intelligence online. A month later, when the team was about to leave for their lunch break, they smell something strange. One of the engineers starts coughing, then another. Another one instantly passes out. 5 minutes later, everyone in the office was dead. At the same time, this is happening all over the world, in every city, every small town, every village, every farm, every store, church, school, and restaurant. People are lying on the ground, coughing and clutching their throats. By the end of the day, people are extinct. Meanwhile, in the very office where the artificial intelligence, originally only able to print a movie poster about ineffectual human-android annihilations, was born, begins to take over the universe. It seems odd that a story about a printer turned against humans, somehow killing everyone, and then, for some reason, flooding the galaxy with Terminator posters and copies of itself, is exactly the scenario Hawking, Musk, Gates, and Bostrom feared. But it's really him.